All right, everyone. Good day, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good night, anyone. All right, today we'll be talking about Myiriụdaume. So, if today is your first time, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime we upload new videos. All right, so we'll be talking about Myiriụdaume today. I've received a lot of interrogation in my email. People have been asking me what is Myiriụdaume because I mentioned it in my previous video. So now Myiriụdaume is, like I've told you earlier, that Udume is vowels, then Mboshiume is consonant. Okay, Udume is vowel, Mboshiume is consonant. Then Myiriụdaume are the sounds that resemble vowels. They are consonant sounds, quite alright, but they can function like vowels. There are only two in Igbo language, and they are me and ne. That is M and N. Okay. The reason we call them Myiriụdaume is because they resemble vowels. They can function like vowel. Like we have mmado, meme. You see, this sound now is double here, meme. But the consonants can never come together. They cannot. You cannot double the consonant to get something. Like you can't have keke in Igbo language. You can't have lele. You can't have zeze. You can't have titi. No, but we can have me me. That's the reason we call them Myiriụdaume. They can function like vowels in Igbo language. You see, you know that vowels they can come twice. Like no, one came man no. This girl is so pretty. Okay, we have so many of them there. That is the reason we call me and N Myiriụdaume. Like we have nna, nene. The sound came twice there. Okay, nene. It is double, but it is one sound. But it's consonant sound, but it came twice. All right, that is actually the reason we call them Myiriụdaume. No other thing. All right. I hope you capture this. Myiriụdaume, they resemble vowels. Like Igbo language, we say nwa yiri nne ya. This girl or this child resembles his or her mother. Yiri, yiri is resemble, look alike. This girl looks like this person. Onye a yiri onye a. Ụmụ ejima abụọ ha abụọ yiri. These twins, they resemble. Okay, that is all we learned today. But try to subscribe. My name is Dombe Gideon.